Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Babul Hassan. Welcome to my other video once again. How are you everyone? I hope everyone is okay. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Juma Mubarak everyone. Today is Juma day, so I have already taken preparation for going to mosque and perform Juma Salah. So you can see I have come this place. Local school, and the field they are playing football, cricket, and they are playing cricket. So in this Friday they have free time, and so that's they have come to play cricket. So I have come there for making video, and this time I can observe many things that they are playing and they are gossiping with each other. So playing is important for keeping our health strongly, right? To keep our body strong. And in this day Juma prayer, I have to go mosque. So before going mosque, I have come here for making a video. So without practicing, I cannot improve my speaking skill. All right. So this is I have told you a important message, but I didn't take my microphone. That's why you can see many noise from this environment. So actually I told you some message that believe in yourself. Today you can see there are many boys. They are talking with each other and they are making noise. They are making sounds, more sounds. And the sunny day you can see. Actually, I have to take hidden place. This place would be better. So the information is you can be what you want to can be, right? You can be what you want to can be, and nobody can do so much for yourself as you can do so much for yourself. So I have this message. I also again tell you that is nobody can show yourself, right? Nobody can do so much for yourself as you can do so much for yourself. So আপনি আপনার জন্য নিজেকে যতটা করতে পারবেন, আপনার কেউ আপনার জন্য অতটা করতে পারবে না। সেজন্য আপনার নিজের জন্য পরিশ্রম করতে হবে, নিজের জন্য নিজেকে পরিবর্তন করতে হবে। You have to change for yourself, you have to hard work for yourself, right? Nobody can do so much for yourself as you can do for yourself. তুমি নিজের জন্য যেটা করতে পারবে সেটা তোমার জন্য কেউ এত বেশি করতে পারবে না। আর if you want to, you can be what you want to can be. তুমি সেটা হতে পারো যেটা তুমি হতে চাও। So firstly you find out your strong point, what you want to be, what your desire, what your burning desire, and work on it. Start working on it. So the important line I have taken from the book Road to Success, right? Napoleon Hill. So the message is you can be what you want to be. Nobody can do so much for yourself as you can do for yourself. তুমি নিজের জন্য যতটুকুনি করতে পারবে, তোমার জন্য সেটা কেউ ততটুকুনি করতে পারবে না, তত বেশি করতে পারবে না। সেই জন্য নিজের জন্য বেশি করুন, নিজের জন্য ভাবুন, নিজের জন্য সময় ব্যয় করুন, নিজের জন্য নিজেকে ভাঙুন, নিজের জন্য নিজের পরিবর্তন করুন। সো আপনি যদি নিজের জন্য না করেন, কেউ আপনার জন্য করবে না। সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।